In this video presentation, we're going to be looking at how we go about configuring passwords on a Cisco 1900 Catalyst switch. Now, for the most part, there's three different passwords. We have the enable password, the executive privilege password, and we also have the ability to encrypt the enable password by using the enable secret password command. Now, also know that passwords can be non-casative sensitive strings of between 4 to 8 characters, spaces, and punctuations, with the exception of double quotes. Those are reserved for password strings that have blank spaces within them. And I'll show you how that works in just a moment. So let's get started by going to the command line. And now I'm going to go up inside of the privilege executive mode by typing in EN. Now I want to go to the global configuration prompt. Now I'm going to type in enable password. Now there's a new command that you probably haven't seen before if this is new to you, called the level. The level indicates what type of password you're trying to configure. Levels 1 through 14 are for enable passwords. Level 15 is for privileged executive password. So this is about all the help you're going to get when you type in question mark for the context sensitive help. So remember that when you're configuring passwords, levels 1 through 14 are for enable, 15 is for the privileged executive. So type in 1 space, let's use a quote. I'm going to have a space inside this password. Cisco space 3, wrap it in quotes. Hit enter. Takes me back to the global configuration prompt, letting me know that this command was successful. Now let's go ahead and let's set the privileged executive password. Type in enable password level, and it's 15. Now type in the password. Brings me back to the global configuration prompt, letting me know that that also was successful. Now at this point I could replace the enable password with enable secret by just using the enable secret password command, but I'm going to forgo that right now. And what we're going to do now is see how I get rid of my passwords. Let's say I want to replace the password. I don't want to have a password on my Catalyst 1900 switch. Well, that's not too hard to do. Just use the no command. No enable password level, let's say level 1. This is just going to remove my enable password. That was a success. No enable password level 15. This gets rid of my password for the privileged executive mode. And that too was also a success. So that's how you configure your passwords on a Catalyst 1900 switch, and that's how you remove them.